Hello there, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another question from the topic of functions. Let's solve this question together. The functions f and g are defined below. What is the value of g7? So f of x is given as x minus 9 and g of x is given as 3 plus f of x. So we will try to find the value of g7. So g of 7, so to find g of 7, we will substitute 7 in the equation wherever we see x. 3 plus f7. So technically, to calculate the value of g7, I need to calculate also f7. The equation of function of f of x was given in the first one. So let's go ahead and substitute 7 in that equation. 7 minus 9, that gives us negative 2. So this value will be substituted in here to find the g of 7. 3 minus 2 will gives us 1. So when you look at the choices, you will see that D is the answer for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that you can receive more related questions. I wish you good luck on your tests and exams, and until next time, see you there. Bye-bye.